ColorSpec Refinish Paint System. ColorSpec is a complete professional-grade refinishing system. The range includes everything needed to paint plastic car parts and accessories at home. Painting plastic is a 4-step process: prep, prime, paint, clear. Achieving true professional results has never been as fast, easy or affordable. Select from ColorSpec's 560 luxury colours or one of the 90,000 factory colours in the ColorSpec database. To match your vehicle's original paint, you'll need its specific code, normally found on the build plate or information placard. Take this code into your local super cheap auto outlet, where their technicians will use it to mix your colour-matched aerosol can. While you wait, in addition to the base coat colour, you'll also need ColorSpec plastic primer, deep crystal clear coat, plus sandpaper, Scotch-Brite, wax and grease remover and lint-free cleaning cloths. Step 1. Prep. Although not absolutely necessary, superior results will be achieved on small parts when painted off the vehicle. Start by thoroughly cleaning the surface with wax and grease remover using a lint-free cloth. To maximise adhesion, lightly scuff the surface. Grey, fine, Scotch-Brite works best. Alternatively, 600 grit sandpaper will do the trick. Be sure to get into all the detail areas, as any shiny section will be vulnerable to peeling. Step 2. Prime. Set the part so that it can be painted without having to move or handle it. Paint's adhesion to plastic is problematic. However, ColorSpec's dedicated plastic primer chemically bonds to the surface to provide superior, long-lasting adhesion, especially on textured plastics. Lay on 2 coats of ColorSpec plastic primer, 5 minutes apart. After 40 minutes drying time, lightly sand with 800 grit paper to uniformly smooth off any peel. Step 3. Paint. Time for base coat colour. Wipe the surface so that it's free of dust and debris. Shake the can vigorously for a full 5 minutes until the ball bearing dents the base of the can. This will ensure consistent colour. Always test spray to ensure you have accurate spray control and correct fan pattern. Holding the can approximately 20 centimetres from the surface, the first coat should be very light. You need to layer up the ColorSpec base coat to avoid runs. Note how the specially developed nozzle provides a wide, consistent spray pattern. Good spray technique is to overlap each pass by 50%. This will avoid mottling and streaking. It typically requires 3 medium coats to attain full coverage with around 10 to 15 minutes drying time between coats. In between all applications, always invert the can to clear the nozzle. Step 4. Clear. The ColorSpec Refinish Paint System employs the same clear-over base technology as used by vehicle manufacturers. Here, the base coat colour dries to a low sheen, becoming glossy with the application of ColorSpec Deep Crystal Clear Coat. The clear coat also seals the base coat, protecting it from UV and the elements. Allow the base coat 40 minutes to dry before applying clear coat. Apply up to 3 medium coats for sufficient coverage, with around 20 minutes drying time between coats. Straight off the nozzle, the ColorSpec Deep Crystal Clear Coat is quite shiny. However, for those chasing an ultra-high quality finish, ColorSpec can be cut and polished to a luxurious glossy shine. Take your time with each of the cleaning, sanding and painting steps, and you can achieve a truly professional refinish job. For this and other helpful step-by-step how-to videos, head to the website. ColorSpec Refinish Paint System.